Ever tried following a recipe without any instructions? It's like trying to navigate a maze blindfolded. Confusion, frustration, and lots of burnt food. That's what happens when processes aren't clearly documented. Imagine a team where everyone goes on to create their own recipe of the same dish with their own secret ingredients. It's like everybody's trying to make a perfect masala dosa, but at the end of the day, everyone's masala dosa is different. And that's where the power of documentation comes in. Clear and concise documentation is like a GPS for your team. It creates a clear roadmap, ensuring that everybody knows their next step and how that fits into the bigger picture. Now, this tip comes directly from a book, The Mystery of Solutions, a narrative nonfiction self help book so that you can learn while having fun. Think of it like a recipe book for your work. When processes are documented, everyone knows the steps, the ingredients, and the expected outcome. No more guessing, no more miscommunication, and no more burnt masala dosa. So, next time you're tackling a new project or a new process, don't just wing it. Document it, share it, and watch your team soar to the new productivity heights. Remember, a well written document is like well written recipe. It's a recipe for success. What are your tips to create an effective, clear, documented process? Share them in the comments below.